I'm Chris.
I'm Jordan.
I'm Joseph.
And this is take 2 of the woodpecker. JcJ production.
This is JcJ videos, guys. Now look how thick this board is. This board is a little thicker. And Jordan is going to do this again. He volunteered for it again. We didn't even bring it up. He just told us.
I was a bad cameraman. Now we got a better one.
Yeah, a lot better cameraman right here, just so you know. Alright, ready, Jordan? There's the board right there. Go. Oh! My God! My God! Man, I heard that one on your board. Get up real quick, dude. Get up.
He broke it.
Oh my
God.
God.
It's going on YouTube.
JcJ. This is Joseph.
JcJ videos and we're out.